Hi, and welcome to our fifth week, second lesson. Today's topic is very interesting. And before talking about the topic, I will tell you two stories that I heard from my friends. Actually, they are not stories, they're memories, my personal memories. Once I asked a friend of mine, a good friend of mine, that do you know Turgut Alp? He said, no, I don't know. Who is he? I said he's a great warrior and a hero in Turkish history. And he said something that was true and a good reason not to remember the heroes. So he said, like, we have many heroes. We have many heroes, and it's difficult to remember the names of all the heroes. Our history is not like the history of other countries and nations. It's very complicated and it's very long and it's very rich, and that's the reason that we cannot really study our history, and we're giving it our best shot, but there's a lot of heroes. So I don't know who is Turgut Alp. And he was a warrior, a friend of Artul Ghazi, I guess. And he was a great politician, a great man, and he was brave, disciplined, and obedient. Now, the second story is the continuation of the first one. Another day, with another friend of mine, he was a soldier, and I said, what are the most important things? What are the most important quality of a soldier in army? He said, discipline and obedience. I said, what about bravery? He said, no worries. We have plenty of brave people, but bravery without discipline and obedience is incomplete. Now, my topic is you have to choose one of the heroes and talk about the history, time, achievements of that hero. Okay? And the second topic is a few questions. I will ask you these questions, and after talking about the hero that you have chosen, you have to answer these four questions. Same book, page number 52 and 53. Question number 1. How often do you use your mobile or landline every day? How often do you use your mobile or landline every day? How often do you use your mobile or landline every day? Landline is a phone at home that is not mobile. You cannot move it with you when you are leaving home. Especially nowadays, no one is leaving home. So even mobile phones have become landline. They are always plugged in your charger, so they're kind of uh, landline. Okay, so how often do you use your mobile or landline every day? Question number 2. Which three people do you call or text the most? Which three people do you call or text the most? Which three people do you call or text the most? Name them, and if it's not secretive, tell us what do you talk about. Nowadays you are at home, so I don't know if you are talking too much. Generally we talk with our family. Question number 3 is, do you ever need to speak English on the phone? If so, how do you have to speak? Who do you have to speak to? I'm sorry, I said how. It's who. Do you ever need to speak English on the phone? Do you ever need to speak English on the phone? If so, who do you have to speak to? Do you ever need to speak English on the phone? If so, who do you have to speak to? Question number 4. Last question but not the least. How often do you check your phone messages? How often do you check your phone messages? Do you always phone back or not? Do you always phone back? If so, why? If not, why not? Okay, these are the questions. Please answer these questions and try to do the best of your ability and improve your language. I'm going to repeat the 4th question one more time, like I did all the 3 questions. How often do you check your phone messages? Do you always phone people back? Why not? Yes, that's it. And I will send you my next video next week. Till then, I wish you all the best and stay safe. Keep washing your hands, don't touch your faces, and try to eat healthy food, lots of fruits and vegetables. Okay, bye bye, take care.